Well, folks, look at SharperTrades. Market reached the resistance on Thursday, 524.25, and is now pulling back for the 3 days. Is still above the 80 the breakout point. That's still bullish, normal pullback. Any break below that, it will re-enter the resistance and then go retest possibly 517 and 509. As long as it remains above the 509 level and the 50 SMA midterm, we are bullish, right? But we are channel top, so those pullback are within the range of possibilities and to be expected. Okay. Resistance 525, 533, and 540. MU, very good day. Popped today, popped last week following earnings. Was a dark pool activity I saw today, and then it was breaking out about Thursday high. Dark pool activity came around 110. So this one is bullish. This one is a swing initiated today. I like the formation. Today rallied to 121.41, then backed off. It's a semiconductor, part of the AI revolution. The move is associated to news, basically a positive view from Barron's over the weekend. And the targets for us 124, 131, and 138 looks very strong. I like the look of these. And the support will keep them kind of tight, 114 and 110. Pinterest, something worth watching. I like this formation today, bullish engulfing. First of all, this one came down very heavily when it was somewhere around 42, and a big drop, broke below the 50 SMA, and then another wave down to 33.50. Stabilized, seems to have at least. And today, bullish engulfing, testing the 34 EMA. Let's see if tomorrow gaps higher and then test the 50 SMA. That would be a big resistance. Eventually, if it breaks through, that's somewhere around 36.30, 36.40. If it breaks through the blue line, the 50 SMA, then we're looking for 38 and 40. See what it does. And if you're planning a swing, or if you like this company, as a swing, 34.50 and 34. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.